Welcome to the tutorial showing you how to search the CLAMS Encore catalog and limiting to a specific library. As you can see, we are on the CLAMS homepage. You want to go up to the menu option, hover over CLAMS catalog, and select the first option, Search CLAMS using Encore. This is the search page. In the search box, you can type in your title, your author, or your keyword. Today, we are going to use the keyword geese and hit enter. This shows you the results at all libraries with the key term related to the word geese. On the left-hand side, you will see a refine by box. These are your filters that you want to use in order to refine your search. We're going to scroll down to collection. We're going to select more to see all of our options, which opens up a smaller window with all library collections. And we're going to scroll down to Truro. As you can see, most libraries have a regular collection and a children's collection. To refine our search, let's select Truro Children's Collection. The number on the right to each collection shows you the number of results that you should see if you select that particular library. So go ahead and check that box and hit apply. This is your result page. On the left-hand side, you can see that your current refinements include the Truro Children's Collection right here on the left. And as you scroll down, you can see that the formats include books, DVDs, and ebooks. But since an ebook isn't physically available at the library, and it may not be a format that you want, you can either choose to limit by format by clicking these boxes right here. And select book and apply. So now you have two formats. And you can see your refined search. Once you have that, if you want these items to be physically available at the library and not currently checked out to someone else, you want to select Availability option at a library. So you want to click on that box right there. So now your current refinements are the Truro Children's Collection, DVD or book, and at a library. You can see your result list has 19 results for the keyword geese. You can scroll through and click on check availability on a particular title, just to be thorough, which opens a box that you can scroll down to see which library owns this particular title. And it says that Truro owns this title and it's available. So I'm going to close this box and hit the request button to the right of that title. This brings me to the login page. It would be smart to have your library card handy. It asks you for your library card number, which is on the back of your card. You want to enter that now with no spaces. If you've already logged in into your CLAMS account and have created a username, you could enter that here. In the Enter Your PIN field, that is any 4 numbers or letters or more that are case sensitive that you created or received when you signed up for your library card. If you're not sure what your PIN number is, please contact your home library. Enter your PIN here and hit submit. Now you have a request it window. Your default pickup location is going to be the library where you first signed up for your library card. So you want to hit your drop-down menu and select which library you plan on picking it up at. Otherwise, it will always default for the pickup location of Truro Library if that's where you received your card. Today we will be picking it up at Truro Library, so we'll keep it as it is. Once you've done that, hit submit. You will then have a request confirmation. that this particular title request was successful, and that when it's ready, you will be able to pick up this material at Truro Public Library. You can hit OK. You will either receive an email or a phone call from that library when the material is ready for pickup. Thank you for watching this tutorial.